News in Natembeya breaks silence as touch arrives ahead of Jirongo burial. Trans Nzoia Governor George Natembeya has finally broken his silence after weeks away from the public. As burial preparation for the late former Lugari MP Cyrus Jirongo enter their final phase, his update came at a time when the symbolic touch linked to Jirongo's burial rites arrive in Kitale, drawing intense public attention. Natembeya's absence had sparked speculation across the region, with many questioning why the outspoken governor had missed several high-profile events. The mystery was addressed during Jirongo's memorial service held in Kitale on Monday, December 29. Speaking on his behalf, Lance CCM Plus, Gumo revealed that the governor was involved in a road accident during the Christmas period. He disclosed that Natembeya sustained serious leg injury that left him temporarily immobile and unable to attend public function. Subscribe EBK for more information.